the biggest struggle that I had before when it came to working out was like trying to figure out how to exercise properly while trying to accommodate the problems that I had. Like I have like a wrist problem, and then I have a bit of a knee problem, and so like a lot of workouts online or on like apps, like they don't really give like a lot of modifications or alternative movements. And so like one of my biggest wins, especially working with Tina, was that like I kind of know how to accommodate for those and like how to move up strength and like kind of knowing when to prioritize what, which is pretty great because part of it is like kind of in that journey you're like trying to understand your body and trying to learn where to push and to not push. And it's always like the line for me, like I would love to push further, but I feel like my body is sometimes not as strong as I would like it to be, and so like it ends up breaking or like having an injury or having an inflammation for like a few days. So part of the process is kind of like learning, especially with guidance and like a resource, how that works, and like having a very good range of exercises. So it's I'm still getting like a full body workout, and I'm not just stuck with only the exercises I could do. And so that's been like a really great development so far. And yes, I would definitely recommend Tina to a friend. I would tell them that Tina is like a very knowledgeable, very supportive, such a great resource of information, and like she's very knowledgeable in like a broad sense of like different lifestyles or in different ages and different situations. And so it's been really helpful having her as part of my workout routine, because like the next week I'm starting to have this problem, and then like she would help me address it or give me like alternatives on how to accommodate that. And so as my body is changing, or like as I have problems or problems go away, then like she's really adaptive in that sense, and it's been wonderful.